Ingabe ikhona yini ipressure kwiBetway Premiership?
Because ama-team amaningi kule season le awadlali ngempela. Yabo, afuna ibhola la ngempela. Because indlela abamova ngakhona, mase ucompare last season. Last season ngabo December, I don't think wasexoshwe coach about 5.
Kule season sekuxoshwe 5 coaches. 5 coaches. Richards Bay wahamba coach wakhona. TS Galaxy wahamba coach wakhona. Mamelodi Sundowns wahamba coach wakhona. SekuyiLamontville Golden Arrows right now uMabhoti Kenyezi usexoshiwe. He has parted ways. Yabo ngisathanda kuthola nje le indaba lezi. Ngawuza umbiko last week but wangakaconfirm yabo. But nje ngisathanda kuthola indaba kuthiwa kahle kahle usehambile kwiLamontville Golden Arrows. Another coach lo wamaZulu yabo uCejimpi naye wahamba. So lama team lawo 5 I feel like bafaka kakhulu ipressure ko coach abafikayo no coach because lento abayenza angiboni kuyintenhle yabo mina ngikhumbula kahle lo coach lo kwakucoach lo oyedlala ibhola lemnandi yabo niyamazi nonke uCejimpi bafethu uCejimpi kwakucoach wangempela kuyikona kule season indlela abaqale ngakhona ayibanga mnandi yabo ayibanga mnandi but ukumxosha ucoach yabo singesazi kodwa mhlawumbe imandate akayirichanga imandate eyidingwa amaZulu but ukuxosha ucoach iligi siqalile angiboni mina kumbono right ngcono coach umxosha masiphelile isizini yabo masubheka izinto ayilethile for i-team isizini siphelile ubone ukuthi ayikho right lento ayenzile ngcono umxoshe lapho ucoach yabo ucoach umxosha i-team i-league masiqalile leyo nto loyiphazamisa i-team because manje bazo rebuilda yabo nje abelande uzwane benovilakazi yabo but I hope amaZulu azobuyela la ade because siyawazi amaZulu i-team strong ngempela. Another coach lo usecoacha le eTanzania manje kwi-Young Africans. Nakhona kwi-Young Africans akenzi kahle. Bokulama matches asawaqalile kwi-Champions League usashaywe wo2 lawo matches lawo. And izinto azimhambeli kahle. Usathanda kuresigna ke na kwi-TS Galaxy. Yabo it's not like wayengeza xoxa kwi-TS Galaxy because nakhona kwi-TS Galaxy wayengenzi kahle. Yabo izinto ayezenza kwi-TS Galaxy wabona kahle usithi cha yabona la coach but kodwa ke angimblame Oramovich angimblame la because most of his star players badayiswa yabo masubhenje abadlali bangempela omsimangu obuthelezi ontwari like maningi ama star players eTS Galaxy adayiswa and leyo nto leyo yamehlisa imoral ukuthi aqhubeka coach lapha because uma ubheka indlela ebiyenza ngakhona eTS Galaxy isibheda impela because uma ukhumbula kahle babe ku final if I'm not mistaken eCarling knockout yabo khona omojela lo mshela beyikhoja impela iTS Galaxy ubeyazi into ayenzayo kuTS Galaxy but izinto azimhambelanga kahle wa decide ukuresign I think wa resign live ngosikhathi beqeda ukudlala neOrlando Pirates. Another coach uBrendan Schroeder naye omunye wocoach baxoshiwe kule season le yabonayo kona okwakhe bekuza ubukubona ukuthi kuyeza kuyenyelele okwakhe ngoba ibhola bedlala kuRichards Bay akusilonile le ibhola leli belithandeka because i-gameplay yakhe bekufika egamini azo-defend yabo azoshaya nje ibhasi ubengenayo isolution yokuthi awina ama-games yabo bedlalela ama-draws kakhulu and enye yezinto i-chairman ye-Richards Bay yayibona yayingayithanda yabo because ngosikhathi bedlala neMagesi FC I think ilapho kwaqala khona ukuthi azini uzohamba impela lo coach lo besehleli la kancane uthi ahambe kwenzekake wadlala igame I think it was against the Kaizer Chiefs yabo ilapho wathatha khona isinqumo sokuthi uyahamba impela ekamabhoti Kenyezi ngifuna ukuqamba manga ngi-understand ukuthi why bemxosha yabo singesazi baningi o-coach right now abama-free agent yabo engenzeka abafike kwi-Golden Arrows bazo-coach I think naye Richards Bay ayina coach right now so yamdinga ucoach ngiyesa mhlawumbe manqwa basayophinde bam-introduce as ucoach we-Golden Arrows because sekwayicoach phela before but engithuse kakhulu ile yamanqoba amnqithi yabo but ngeke ngisho ukuthi ngithuse kakhulu because uma ubheka i-mandate iMamelodi Sundowns imandate yakhona ukuwina ama-cups wonke ama-cups abawangenelile ukwawina wonke that is the only mandate abanayo and ocoach bakhona bayayazi le mandate le basayine contracts beyayazi le mandate le lo mjidelo akayiwinanga i-Carling knockout akayiwinanga i-MTN waphuma kwe-MTN wangayiwini i-Carling knockout edlala ne-team esathanda kusuka kwi-NFD yabo I think isinqumo sathathwa kule ya game iMagesi FC ukuthi uyahamba umanqoba amnqithi because wasubheke ucoach usathanda kufika kweMamelodi Sundowns usenayo already permit yokuzosebenza lo kuyatshela ukuthi kahle kahle i-decision ade yathatha ukuthi uzohamba umanqoba amnqithi kweMamelodi Sundowns because i-permit yokusebenza ithatha ama-weeks yabo inyanga so lo kuyakutshela impela so mina ngisure I think kwiBetway Premiership so far i-pressure ikhona ngempela yabo ipressure ikhona impela and ocoach abaningi abasele right now abangakoxoshwa nje amateam awu5 esededelo coach kumele benze sure ukuthi ba deliver ama points adingakalayo because I think ikhona imali ngempela imali ikhona ngempela ka Betway kumele ma deliver ama cup it's either ufinisha ku top 8 noma uyahamba it's either uletha ama cups noma ileague uyahamba it's either ufinisha ku top 3 noma uyahamba because amazulu masubheka amazulu I think ichairman yabo yasho ukuthi kumele bafinishe top 4 or top 3 other than that abakhulumi yabo so amazulu labafethu abasathanda kusayina kumazulu yabo uzwane benovilazi kumele benze sure ukuthi baya deliver iGolden Arrows ayikakalandi imuntu Richards Bay ayikakalandi imuntu iSundowns simlandile yabo kwiSundowns ilandele uMiguel Cardoso Miguel Cardoso kumele enze sure ukuthi uyayiwin Champions League maye ayiwin Champions League now uyamasha yabo so for me I feel like there is pressure angempela yabo yokuthi ukhiphe istandard kuBetway Premiership akufani nalawa amanye ama season yabo this season so far 5 coaches and I think kusazoba khona ocoach abanye abazohamba yabo abunabi nje obunabi right now abenzi kahle Eric Tinkler naye ngathi usazohamba nje kuCape Town City ngiyisazi baningi ocoach abengenzi kahle ukubona kwakho umuphi ucoach ozolandela ozoxoshwa yabo ungangitshela lapho kuma comments sengiyatholakala ka YouTube nguVane Sports ungafika lapho uyosubscribe ama video amaningi senzowaposta khona because TikTok awusafuni ngiposte la ngikhona futhi na Facebook nguVane Sports lapha ipage lami likhona na Instagram ngiyatholakala abafethu nguVane Sports yabo ngiyabonga isupport yenu eningi niya yona